finally reached our hotel in Bodrum. So this morning we left Istanbul bright and early in the morning, and we flew to Bodrum. It was about an hour and a half flight, and then from Bodrum we took a bus. It was like an airport shuttle bus to the city center of Bodrum. We had an amazing lunch there. It was some pizza, salad, and we did a little bit of a just walking around in the city center. And then after that, we kind of just like decided to wing it and take the bus to the area that we're in. So we are about 30 minutes away from the city center of Bodrum. We're in this town called Turkish, and it's known to be like kind of a resort area. And so I did splurge with the hotel that we're staying at. As with every trip, there has to be a little bit of a treat. So let me show the hotel here. So you walk in, and as you can see, it's very big. This is the bathroom section. We have a beautiful marble kind of vanity area. And then these are like these glass, no, like mirrored doors. And then once you open this one, it has the shower, as you can see. And then this one has the toilet. And then here is the hotel room. Pretty much kind of like a general view of it. We've got a nice bed, TV. We are at the Swiss hotel, by the way. I didn't even mention that, but yep, my first time staying at this chain. Here is the fridge, and then the balcony. We don't have a view, it's like a garden view, but the pool is, the pool is right outside. And then we're also walking distance from a beach. There's the pool. So yes, it is very beautiful. We are so tired. Like, we just took bus after bus, and it's a lot hotter here in Bodrum than in any of the other places that we've been so far. So I think we're just gonna rest up. We're gonna just stay in this area today, enjoy our beautiful private beach area. And oh, and then we have a boat tour tomorrow. I've heard that one of the things you have to do in Bodrum is to do a boat tour. So we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. So excited. I also just realized that you can choose your own pillow here. So it's called Sleep a la carte. Choose your favorite pillow from the list below by pressing the Swiss service button on your telephone, and you can choose which kind of pillow best suits your head. We just finished our boat tour and now we're gonna go walk along the beautiful harbor marina slash promenade and have dinner. Do you like the boat tour?
Yes. Very relaxing. You have to go in the water.
Yeah, it was a really chill tour.
It's not really a snorkeling tour or anything that we usually do.
Yeah, we usually do a snorkeling tour, like where we do more activities, but this was more of a sailing tour. So now I just want to go have drinks and food with the cats and the dogs. So we're here having our dinner, oceanfront or seafront, and look who we have.
I love it.
Aww. Hey. And then we have another one here. The cutest kitties. So Turkey has just a bunch of like cats and dogs everywhere. It's really just normal. And believe me, they're very well fed. Like all the dogs that I see are, unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, they're overweight. They eat so well here. And people treat them very nicely, unlike some other places that we've been. So it's just always nice that you get to dine with cats and dogs. Look at these cats. They're so cute and they're like so well behaved. Like I wish my dog was this well behaved. I think it's because they're so like desensitized to like the city and just people and like vehicles moving around. So I wish my dog was like that. Good morning. It's our final day in Bodrum today. We are kind of just taking it easy for today. I managed to get a late check-in with the front desk. So originally the check-in here is 12. We're gonna check out at 1:30 instead. Right now we're gonna go down and just stuff our faces with the breakfast buffet that we didn't get to like fully enjoy yesterday because we didn't want to be late for the tour. But right now I'm gonna stuff my face. We do have like a private beachfront for this hotel, so I want to go check that out as well. Once we check out, we still have quite a bit of time to spare, so we're gonna go to the city center of Bodrum, take the bus again, which takes about an hour or so. It's like a taxi ride and then a bus. Go explore the center that includes some museums. We're gonna get some food. Our flight is really late tonight at 8:50, so we get to Istanbul really late. And then that's pretty much gonna wrap up our day. So loving Bodrum so far. The boat tour yesterday was so fun. It was just very chill and relaxing, and today's gonna be the same. We just really wanted to relax here and just enjoy the beautiful weather that is not gonna last. So that's what we're doing. Here's our breakfast spread. We got menemen again, my favorite. I think these are cheese sticks and potatoes. This is a traditional Turkish breakfast that I learned from my guide. Some bread, olives, pastrama, and cheese. And got some croissants and fruit, and I'm gonna get more later. Yay! everybody, we are at late lunch now. It's about 3-ish. We took the bus from our hotel here, and now we're gonna eat at a kebab place. We got a mixed plate, so I'll show that in a little bit. It's very, very nice. It's sunny, but there's a lot of shady parts, so it's not too bad. And we're by the water, and we might take a little walk later by the water as well. Here we have garlic mushrooms. It looks so good. This is their house special salad. It has walnuts and it's a pomegranate dressing. Bread. And then our meat is coming out later. And here is the star of the show, a mixed grill kebab plate. Is it good? Yeah. It's a mix of chicken, beef, lamb, and some side vegetables here. Looks very, very good. And I'm having a Turkish beer. Yum, yum, yum. So what this does? We are at the Bodrum Castle, overlooking the beautiful Aegean Sea. It is so hot up here. But yeah, this is a castle and there's a museum inside, so we're in the museum. It's too hot right now for me to explain any facts about it, so I'll put it on the screen, some facts about this castle. But I feel like a princess, you guys. I'm ending this vlog here. Our beautiful Bodrum trip. Only 2-ish days here. But anyways, I recommend this castle for sure. There's the underwater archaeological museum in here. Definitely recommend. Would you recommend? Ding. I'd recommend it not only to see everything, but only just for the views. I mean, it's amazing. The area that we stayed in with our resort was Turkish, which is about a 30-minute drive from the city center. It's kind of more, it's quieter, definitely more resorts and stuff like that. But yeah, Bodrum is really just a place to come and relax, discover the history, but really just be, you know, be by water. I recommend a boat trip as well. It was really affordable. It was like $30 for the trip. Lots of seafood. But yeah, and it's also really close to Greece. So I know that there's ferries that go from Bodrum to Kos, which is a Greek island. One day I really want to like do a whole Mediterranean Sea kind of boat cruise. But for now, Bodrum was really special. I really like it here. I would definitely come back for another, you know, relaxing vacation.